A leak test should be performed if your Coleman Pro Series grill is brand new, was recently moved, if the LP cylinder was refilled or exchanged, or if you are experiencing low heat or low flame performance issues. You will need a 50-50 mixture of water and dishwashing soap in a spray bottle, a microfiber cloth or paper towels for cleanup, and an adjustable wrench for tightening connections. Let's get started. Open your barbecue lid. Ensure all control knobs are off, including the side burner. Check to ensure your LP tank is in the closed position. Spray a generous amount of the soap and water mixture on the LP tank, regulator, and any visible gas manifold connections, including the side burner valve and metal hose. Slowly open the LP cylinder shutoff valve by turning the hand wheel counterclockwise. Check all components for growing bubbles that would signify a leak or poor connection. If you are seeing growing bubbles, hear a rushing sound, or smell gas, turn your LP cylinder shutoff valve counterclockwise to the closed position. Tighten all connections. Repeat soapy water test to confirm that the leak has been corrected. Once complete, close the LP cylinder shutoff valve before washing off the soapy residue with water and towel. If a leak has been detected on the LP cylinder, ensure the shutoff valve is closed before relocating tank away from your home and any ignition source. Contact your local tank exchange service provider. For more help with Coleman Pro Series grills, or if replacement parts are required, contact us at 1-800-275-4617.